Hi, I'm Lilly. I've just graduated with a first-class degree in Equine Science from the University Centre Reaseheath. Well, I've been at Reaseheath for 5 years. I did my level 3 diploma in Equine Science here for 2 years, and then I did a foundation degree in applied equine behaviour for 2 years, and I just finished my BSc top-up in Equine Science. The best part of my time at Reaseheath was how it inspired me to be independent, both academically and personally. It brought me out of my shell academically, it inspired creativity, independence. It made me think of things I would never have thought of before. It gave me the courage and confidence to do things I've never done before. And personally, it definitely made me a better person, made me more confident in myself and my abilities. And it just made me enjoy the experience so much more. And I thank and love Reaseheath for it. For my final year project, I decided to focus on an area of sports psychology, specifically within equine. The title of my project was Coach and Rider Perceptions of Autonomy Supportive Behaviours. I included a study of 265 riders and 75 coaches. It was looking at whether coaches were aware of the behaviours they were performing and how they affected the rider, and how riders benefited from the particular behaviours coaches were displaying. By doing this project, it's allowed me to see the flaws within the equine coaching community, how it can be improved, and one of the main thoughts I took from this project was how the BHS exam, the main governing body of the equestrian industry, could benefit from having a sports psychology part of their coaching qualifications to make coach and rider relationships much more successful. In the future, I would like to set up my own business as a horse behaviourist/trainer. At the moment, while studying my Masters, I'm studying a level 5 diploma in education and training, which would allow me to become a teacher. So in the future, I would also like to look into studying and teaching at HE level, and passing on my knowledge of particularly in equine behaviour onto the next generation.